Hey, welcome to my office where I'm going to show you on my computer how to edit your design guide. So you've downloaded this Canva template. What you need to do is download the free version of Canva, either on your phone, on your tablet, on the computer. You can just go to www.canva.com and then sign up. Don't pay for the pro version unless you really love making things in Canva. I love making things in Canva, so I pay for the pro version, but it is necessary for you to do. I'm going to show you how you can edit this using the free version. So once you have signed up for Canva, they're going to try to convince you to go with the pro. Just sign up for the free. You're going to click the link and I in the PDF that I shared with you, and you're going to go ahead and open up your design guide. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to edit it so that you can create a gorgeous room in your home. So once you open up your design guide, it's going to look like this. You see here up at the top, I have clients and I have this. Go ahead and just delete that or put your own name in. Actually, you know what? For the design feel, I feel like we should leave this in. Let's go for sophisticated girl boss. Yes, let's go for that feel. And we're going to go ahead and change the color palettes to different ones that we want. What I really recommend doing is finding something in your home that already that you're stuck with, say. So let's look here. Let's go to the photos and let's pretend our living room. Is it 2 words? I think living room is 2 words, isn't it? And like, let's go like pink. Oh yeah. Because that feels girly to me. Does it feel girly to you? It does. Ooh, I like this pink. Ooh, I like this one. You know, I love this one. So we're going to drag this over and replace this. And we're going to pretend that we have a sofa that's this color already. So right off the bat, we're going to change these colors by clicking on the box. Now you can click up here on the left-hand side to where it says color, and you can change this to any color that you want. I'm going to go with like, is this it? No, it's a little bit darker. If you want to customize your color, you go here where it says new color, and you can either drag it till you find a color that sort of matches. It's maybe a little more blue. Ooh, that looks close, doesn't it, you guys? Or you can type in the color code if you know the color code that you're looking for. But I do feel like that's really, really close. The other thing we're going to add into this space is obviously that pretty pink. Love it. And let's go with like a darker gray. That's a nice stone color. So actually we got to change these, don't we? We got to change the colors. Pink. What color pink would you say this was? It's like a pastel pink. Is it pastel? Sure. This I would be like a dark aqua. Sure. And I'll call this stone. This feels like a stone color. And then for this one, let's choose a color that we think would look really nice with this. Oh God, this is where I struggle. But you know what? Honestly, I don't mind the gold with that. Nope, but I'm not loving it. I'm gonna go with like a really dark gray. Yeah. Ooh, pretty. And then like a lighter gray. So we'll call this dark. Just call this dark. Cute. So then we have our color scheme. So this is really fun. Now what you want to do is you want to go on the internet and you want to find colors, just typing in pink and aqua living room or pink and aqua bedroom, and you want to find inspirational pictures. Then what you could do is go to the uploads button here and you can upload those directly into your file. You can also upload pictures of your space. Maybe you have artwork, maybe you have other things that you can take a picture of, and you can upload it by clicking here, upload, uploading media directly from your computer into here so you can work around the space. You could also find stock photos that you like. I'm gonna just go ahead and find some right here in Canva that I can drag and drop over. Maybe, oh, cute. How cute. Find some things I find inspiring and make my own design guide. This is amazing. Look at this. No, stop it. Shut the front door. This one's going here because it's so cool, which is instantly already inspiring me to create new artwork, maybe that looks like this, to maybe paint some furniture, this beautiful dark color. We're going to go ahead and change this to that dark teal that we used, because that is definitely the main accent color in this space. Let's, it feels like a lot of the same picture over and over again, but that's okay. Those lamps are cute. Oh, this feels very crisp and clean. Let's pull that one into here. Oh, I like this, just this simple look. We'll drag that one in. So again, you're looking on Google Images. I'm not looking at Google Images, but you could look on Google Images for inspiration, for things that are in that color scheme that you're really loving the look of, and then you're dragging it in. And this is going to give you that guide. So when you're out shopping, so when you're thinking about painting furniture that you already have, or repainting something in your house that you already have, that or creating new artwork, you're going to have so much inspiration all in one place. And it's going to really help you when you're designing this beautiful home. Let's go ahead and do this. I love that gallery look right there. And we'll drag this final one over. So cute. So just like that, we've created a sophisticated girl boss design guide based on the colors of the really rich dark aqua and a pastel pink and lots of different shades of gray. And you can do this easily, create your own design guide for your own space using this free Canva template. So I hope you enjoyed.